to my channel. This is your friend dear Archie. We have a request from one of our subscriber who wants to know what are the new heels I have. New updated pair of heels. The number one on my list is Eridani. You might have seen in my previous heels video, whenever you are in doubt, go for black heels or go for nude pair of heels, because that is the pair of heels which goes with every different kind of dresses you wear. But apart from, suppose you are like me, you get just really bored of just two colors, black and nude pair. What apart from these two colors is the color of the heel which you can usually go for is these white pair of heels. You can see them, this white pair of heels. It's not a big heel, it is just enough heel to make you feel comfortable while walking in it. White is the color of wealth, royalty and sophistication. These pair of heels are also good for your office outfits, while going out for your markets, while going out for your shoppings, even going out in beaches. Instead of just wearing those flats, I think you can go for these pair of heels. The slim heels are on trend right now, a lot like anything. Everyone who is looking for fashion heels, it has eroded the fashion market where strappy heels are on the go. Now people are only looking for strappy heels, and this is one strappy white pair of heels, so hot and so sexy. If you can't go out, order it online. It is available. Eridani brand is available in Nykaa, it is available in Myntra. You can just shop it, try it. If you like it, keep it. Okay, so next on my list, nude pair of heels. It's a party heel, as you can see. The strappy heel, sling. I'll wear it in front of you, and I know I'm weird, I don't care how people might think, I just don't care. So can you see it? Like, really, like, don't you like it? So it is still gonna take a little bit of your time while wearing it. Okay, and if you want to beat someone with this, I'm all up for it. I won't judge you, because leveling up will help you in all kinds of situations in life. So the next pair of my heels is our classic golden pair of heels. You know what it is for. It is for looking sexy, it is for looking classy at the same time. One pair of heels is all it takes to be the life of the party, because in the party, golden pair of heels always stood out. If you don't have a golden pair of heels and you are a party freak or someone who loves to go out in the party and who loves to attend a lot of parties, like, if you don't have it, you don't know what you're losing. So this pair of heel is specially for the party look. It is so sexy, it gives an oomph to your overall personality as a person and to your outfit as well. Personally bought it in a little high height. I think it is 4.5. It is not 5. I don't go for beyond 4 in heights, because beyond 4 you kind of fumble a lot and it is equally not that comfortable or manageable. But the plus point about this heel is, even though it is 4.5 in heel, I can wear this heel whole day, which is never the case for me, because my feet generally hurts a lot. Here it's shining. Can you see it? Like, see, it's mango. Okay, so it is my mango. You can get this in mango. Buy and check. I want to tell you one thing to my all the viewers. This is not a sponsored video. I'm a person with a really hurting feet. This is my good bet when I go for parties, because this is the heel. Whenever I wear it, I just don't feel the pain. I can enjoy my party without thinking about when will I reach home and when will I just remove my heels, because a lot of ladies, when the feet starts hurting, it just kills our joy. If you are looking for a nice pair of heels for party look, this is the good bet, guys. You can go ahead and you can buy it. Perfect. Okay, So the next on my list is, let me find it out. I have put it somewhere. Segment I'm starting is with the platform heels. Realize that these are not the most favorite for most of the people, because platform heels are more for comfort than for the styling. But for your usual course, like when you are going to the supermarket, buying some groceries, you can wear the comfortable ones. I'm starting off with transparent straps. Have you seen this transparent strap? It is so much on trend, like everyone is now purchasing this. Platform heels I don't recommend a lot if you are looking for a lot of polished style, but what I do recommend here is the transparent look. There are a lot of transparent straps. It is on trend. I actually thought this trend will not live long. I actually thought this trend will go back sooner, but I don't know, for some reason it is just coming again and again, these transparent straps. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. If you are looking for it, go for it. Some people really do like the transparent feature in this, but I'm personally 50-50 with that. Like if I'm getting bored, I might go for this. I'll wear it. Is a little platform heel, but you can see this is again by Soles. I think Soles is a good brand. I have two from Soles. What extra it has, let me see. First of all, I love the color of this heel, which is bronzy, which is so bronzy. Like it is so sexy for me when I wear this heel. It is not a pencil heel. As you can see, it is not too much height also. I think it's just 3.5 in height. The moment I saw this, I just like the color of the heel, which is not too golden, but it is more of like bronzy golden side. It is a little sparkly, but not that too flashy and sparkly. It is just the right amount of sparkly, I would say. Talking of comfort, I don't find it too comfortable. Like it is comfortable, but it is not that comfortable. Like if you wear it for 4 or 5 hours, it's okay. But after that, your toes will start hurting. Not the heels, of course, because it's platform one. But your toes will definitely, from the front, will start hurting. So I won't recommend you to, wear it for longer than 4 to 5 hours. Just for like when you are going out with your friends, having a treat session or having a light little gupshup session. What do you say? Chai time, or some tea time or coffee time. Obviously I will not recommend it for dates. Like if you want to go for it, good, but I don't usually wear this for dates. I have better heels with me to wear it on dates, but this is something I wear when I'm going out with my friends. I think I have pretty much included all my new sets of heels. I have some new boots. I've wore those boots in a lot of my Instagram photos, so you might be aware of them. The girls who can't wear heels, go for the boots, guys. Majority of my boots I purchase from Forever 21 because they have a really nice pair of boots with them. If you cannot purchase these heels, if you find it pricey or kind of costly, because some branded heels are costly, don't want to spend a lot of bucks on it, I will say go for the similar pair of heels. There are a lot of brands who are not that costly, but they are still making these kind of heels, strappy heels or transparent straps. go for it and let me know if you have purchased a nice pair of heel and you want to showcase it to me. I'm all set to watch it, and if I like, maybe I will purchase the same. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care guys, and